Hey, it's Slacker.scott.
Not lazy, not cheap, efficient and thrifty.
And I'm about to start on a new project. I decided to buy a trailer and build a tiny home on it. Maybe for an additional rental property, maybe to live in myself for a little bit. Not entirely sure, but I picked it up yesterday and it is here. It is a 8.5 by 20 foot trailer. I'm going to be building the lofts out over the ends of the 20 feet, so I should be getting close to 26 feet on those. But yeah, it should be a lot of fun. It sits about 3 feet off the ground, so the inside is going to be about 10 foot tall. Have about 10 foot of space inside of it. So yeah, on this end of the trailer, planning on having a sectional couch that converts to a bed in case anyone ever wants to stay with groups of 4. And then there's also going to be a loft here. The loft is going to come out right over the couch. Since you don't really need to stand up at the couch, you sit down into it. The loft's going to probably be about 5 feet or so. So that way there's about 5 feet of space up above to fit better in the loft. Then right there where it ends, all the way over to the other blue line are going to be some French doors to let a lot of light in. This part behind me is going to be kitchen island to have dinner at, and then the kitchen counter will be the next line behind that. Then over here we're going to be in the bathroom. Going to have corner shower, toilet, and then vanity. And there's going to the queen bed and the upstairs is going to come out over top of that, and then there. And then here will be the stairs to go upstairs. So it'll just be 3 1-foot stairs to get you there. And then going to build out over the tongue here. 3, maybe 4, maybe 5 feet to give us some extra space. I'm taking a little bit of break from the van build to work on this. So if you want some updates, stay in touch with everything tiny house, and I'm sure I'll be doing van stuff in between, especially if we take a trip. Subscribe and all that jazz, because I'll be rocking and rolling here. Bye.